Hello world, my name is George Anthony, but everyone calls me Big G. I'd like to take this opportunity to welcome you rock stars to my new channel, Big G Anthony. Today, I'm introducing myself to the world. So please, stay tuned to learn a little more about me and my channel, where I keep it 100. Welcome back. As I mentioned earlier, my name is Big G Anthony, and I'd like to thank you for sticking around to watch my video on my channel. Here's a little nugget for you. Did you know that 70% of U.S. workers are unhappy with their current profession? And I realized at the age of 44 and 18 years in law enforcement, I fell into that 70%. Don't get me wrong or anything. I appreciate all the memories and the lifestyle my profession has provided to me and my family. But around about a year and a half ago, I began to feel stuck, spinning my wheels and thinking there has to be more out there than just working, paying bills, and ultimately robbing Peter to pay Paul to do the things I enjoy. I know some of you are feeling me right now. Told you I was going to keep it 100. I began to question the last 18 years and ask myself, have I been settling? Have I become complacent and comfortable with my current situation? Have I stopped challenging myself? Because I knew that I was meant for something bigger. But I also realized if I continued down my current path and profession, I would always be trading my time for an hourly wage. So I began doing research and searching and looking for information that I could utilize in order to change my situation. And I found that there's only one way to take back your time and create financial freedom. And that is establishing multiple sources of income. So I decided in 2018 that I was going to give back and help others by showing them how to create freedom lifestyle businesses online, by providing content and uploading tips, tricks, trainings, and product review videos. Listen, to make things happen, you have to do things differently to get different things. So, if you are that person looking to do something different, if you are that affiliate marketer or network marketer that's stuck and struggling in your business, or just damn sick and tired of being sick and tired, this is the channel that can help you. So like and subscribe to my channel, and remember, do something different in 2018. Change your mindset to change your situation. Peace.